Hello from Lloyd Mini Colne, we hope you're well and we are really excited to present to you this bold and stylish Fiat 124 Spider Convertible, finished in sophisticated black, featuring a timeless and contrasting leather interior. Having covered just 16,185 miles, this 2018 convertible is in excellent condition and ready to take you on your next adventure. Here at Lloyd Mini Colne, all of our approved non-franchised cars undergo meticulous preparation and come with a full detailed vehicle health check, 12-month warranty and 12-month MOT. Why simply drive when you can travel in style and make every trip an unforgettable journey? Command the roads, demand attention and experience a better way to drive. This slick Fiat specification has a lot to offer, including parking sensors, satellite navigation, leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity and multifunction steering wheel, among much more. Want to find out more about this captivating convertible? Experience our famed customer service by reaching out. We're always more than happy to help. To make this stunning vehicle yours, please get in touch with our expert sales team here at Lloyd Mini Colne. Thank you and hope to hear from you soon.